How to write the English alphabet in an easy way.
Letter F. Uppercase F. Hold down. A cross on the top. And a cross in the middle. Lowercase f. Do a curved line from the top. Pull back down. And put a straight line across. You're amazing! F is for frog, flower, fish, fire, box. Time to do the next letter. The letter G. Uppercase G. Pull back around. Pull up. And across in. Lowercase g. Pull back, around up. And pull down left. Magnificent! G is for giraffe, gift, gorilla, goldfish, goat. Next, we're going to learn the letter H. Uppercase H. Pull down. Pull down again. And across in the middle. Lowercase h. From the top, pull down. Around, up and down. Wonderful! H is for horse, heart, helicopter, house, hand. Let's move on to the next letter. It's the letter I. Uppercase I. Pull down. Lowercase I. Pull down. And a dot. Very well done. I is for igloo, iguana, ice cream, eyes, insect, the next letter is the letter J. Uppercase J. Pull down, around up. Lowercase j. Pull down, curve around up. And a dot. Aren't you clever? J is for jellyfish, Jaguar.